Hi there, let's continue to build our website. So we continue with this section. This is just a kind of picture of on the left side, on button on the right side, and some text on the right side. So let's start the coding. As before, I will run the project, and I will create a new folder. I name it trade free. Inputting the CSS. Let's check if it's work. We need to see a trade free. Nope, not. Oh yeah, this is it. Is this thing is a little bit hiding behind it, so now we can see it more clearly. So let's start to coding. So I just copy, I prepared it before. So I copy here if inside we pasted an image. We need to import the image because that we see the red line of an error. So I a little bit organize it. So I delete the E, and then I get an option for the image. Alright, so we import the image and also we need here another div. Here, let's try right short. Yep, all imported. So we have all the GSX ready. It's look very weird for now, but we will fix it in one second. Edit it in the CSS here. Let's start to edit the CSS. I also copy the CSS. I prepared it before, so in each video you will watch on my channel, you will have an source code below in the description, so you don't need to worry about it. You have all the code and you copy it. I just make it a little bit faster because I want to short a little bit shorter video. So if you want, you also can copy from the dashboard here, from the code editor. Here are the media screens below the 418 and 80. Another media query needed. This media query, I save it. Let's check how it looks. Yep, something weird here. Alright, it's a little bit weird, so I need to check it out. What is bad here? It's probably my bad. I copied it again, maybe the copy was not exactly the same. So yep, it's now C. Alright, yes, it's probably one of the class names not exactly was the same. So now I copy it from my source code. This, and now it's look like it's okay. We finish here this section. Come on with me to the next video. We'll continue to build and until the end.